how to connect your EA account to Twitch. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can connect your EA account to Twitch, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, connecting your EA account to your Twitch account is actually quite simple. Just open up your browser and come to this website, which is ea.com/twitchlinkin. I repeat, ea.com/twitchlinkin. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Now, once you go to ea.com/twitchlinkin, you're going to be able to land on this page where you also have to make sure that you basically sign in first with your EA account, and make sure to also sign in with your Twitch account. Once you log into both your accounts, you can see you'll get a confirmation that says link your EA account to Twitch. So make sure that this is the EA account that you want to link to this Twitch account, and then just tap the link accounts option in order to connect them successfully. This way you'll be able to connect your EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.